I'm joining in with the ladies of Elegance Sophistication for Apple Decor Open Collab. Well, let's see who's putting this on. Joining in with Grace Life DIY Home Decor, Amethyst Adventures, and Creations by Simone. Oh my gosh, 3 awesome creators. Make sure you go check them out. And now let's go see what they've done with their videos. And please don't forget that playlist. A lot of awesome creators joined in. Good evening to all my awesome friends. Guess what time it is? I'm joining in with Apple Decor Challenge today. And because I had this challenge, I went out looking for some Apple Decor pieces. And here is a painting that I picked up, and it's brand new. Someone painted it. It's on real canvas, and isn't it beautiful? All the shading and color, and you're not going to believe how much I spent for it. Now, I went over to a place called the Purple Easel. It is a place that teaches you art lessons, and for a small amount of money, you can go there and have a wonderful art lesson as much as you want to go. They furnish the easels, they furnish the paint. You just sit down and have a relaxing time with the teacher. She will have a wonderful 2-hour class teaching art lessons. And I thought it was wonderful. But when they're done teaching their lessons, they have a painting that's been finished. So what happens then? They sell them. And that's where Grandma went and bought herself this beautiful picture. And it's over in the city of Ontario. So if any of you are interested, please look it up online. They have a wonderful website, and they tell you what classes they're teaching, what they're going to teach that day. And that way you have a choice when you want to go to paint what you want to paint. I think in the future, probably I will go over and do a class with my daughter. I think it would be a lot of fun since I've started doing a little bit of art on my channel. And I think it'd be nice to add to what I'm already doing and branch out a little bit more. So if any of you are interested, if you live in the area where I live, Purple Easel is a great place to go and get a wonderful art lesson. And here is the place to go check out what they're up to. Here's their website. Please go check it out and see if you find some class you'd like to take. Or even if you just want to see what they teach. You may have a business similar to this in your area. And keep in mind, this was a really reasonable place to go. I paid $2.50 for this oil painting. And I thought it turned out pretty nice in my wonderful vignette I put in my cozy corner. You know how much I love decorating the cozy corner. Now you can see I've added a few extra things. I did get my wooden tray out, and I got a bowl, and I put some apples from the refrigerator, real apples, in the center of my vignette. Now behind these apples I have placed some apples picks that I got from Joann's today. They had them on sale at 50% off, so of course Grandma bought some, and I thought it turned out pretty nice. What do you think? And also, they had some great things at 70% off also. So if you're wanting to get some great things for this fall, get over there to Joann's. They're having 50 to 70% off on a lot of items. And I did get some beautiful acorns also, as you can see. I got them in 2 different colors. I have like a tan color, and the other one is more of a red color. And they did come with some leaves also. So to give a little bit more contrast to what I already own and have. I was really, really happy with them. And then I got some apple picks also. I got 2 red apple picks, as you can see, and I got 3 green ones to add to this display. This cost me about $13 for everything I bought, including the beautiful painting I got for $2.50. So if you want to go and start getting a little art collection for your home, look for some places like the Purple Easel in your area. Maybe you can find some inexpensive art that will look beautiful in your home, or maybe take an art class yourself and do painting that's originally yours. Won't that be wonderful? I think I would love to try that out. Probably be something we will be doing in the future. But let me know what you thought about my Apple Decor vignette that I put together for this challenge today. I thought it turned out pretty good for only about $13. Oh well, you know Grandma, she's always trying to work on a budget. And I wanted to show you how beautiful this painting was and what you can do if you just get out and look around. Things you don't even have to worry about. And they also, this particular place we went to, they even sell frames. So if you wanted to frame this apple painting, you could easily do that on a budget. So showing you different things you could do to decorate inexpensively and beautifully. Let me know what you thought. And have any of you ever heard of these places that teach you how to paint and then they sell the artwork later? If you haven't, give it a try. You might enjoy it. And best of all, get some inexpensive pieces for your walls. Original paintings. Instead of just paper, real love and care went into that painting. So think about it, my dear friends. Think about it, where you can go and get original artwork, and maybe even have a good time if you'd like to go take one of their art classes. It's a wonderful place to go. Check it out.